How to permanently delete your Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can permanently delete your Facebook account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to permanently delete our Facebook account, we have to just go ahead and launch the Facebook application and then go to the menu page by tapping on the menu icon. Now if you're on iOS, this option could be at the bottom. Anyway, once you go to the menu page, over here go to settings and privacy and go to the option called settings. Once you go to settings, here you'll find the option called access and control. So just tap on that one again, and once you do that, here you'll find another option that says deactivation and deletion. So just tap on it. You have two options to deactivate or to delete it, but since we're learning to delete, we'll just select the option called delete and tap on the continue to account deletion. And now it'll ask you for a confirmation, so just tap on continue to account deletion. The final step is to simply select a reason and then tap on continue again. You'll be able to see all of these claims and so on. Now keep in mind, once you set your account for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate it, because until 30 days it is only going to remain inactive, but after that it is going to be permanently deleted. So just tap on the option called delete account, enter your password and confirm to do so. That's all it takes to permanently delete your Facebook account. So we hope the video was really helpful. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.